welcome again to our channel. If this is your first time on our channel, I kindly ask you to go subscribe and hit the post notification bell so that whenever we upload you get notified. So guys, tomorrow and every other week, Panopera week, we're going to be having a weekly trends with Craig Marshall and different YouTubers. So you better hit the subscribe button so that Batotanga you get notified. Please tell your friends, family, kuti there is weekly trends with Craig Marshall pa channel yang. Please make sure you subscribe. But nyeripo ndiya Jamaster na anwenze Haitam Kim. I think Haitam Kim is from Tanzania. It has worked the Mwari remix, which is trending in less than an hour. Young guy tonic 10k views on YouTube. So if you haven't watched that fire song, go watch it now. Hello Mwari remix.
One to them, wali kufunga kuti Dhuterere manzi Mwari wangu ndongo bompera kuti Hello Mwari
rukurira
yo holi
vese vari kuridzwa rukurire pane gore randakaona iri kuchiu sport richiti vanohonye munha
auskuda
ndovandakaziva kuti riri kuenda kure richiyimbirira vanhu vachitambirira vachifarira
zvinova kunyemwerera vachipemberera
iri vandarana riri padkt patariti nzira yekusumuka iri pachiu sport nekuti chiu sport izanupiro ndiye iri kuvaka mutumbi wambuya nehwanda varasvika vachisport akati hello Mwari raputika hausikuda timana anozviziva oskid anoziva tamuka anoziva munhu wese anoziva
And again, vadzoka nealbum iwani vadzoka Mambo Dhuterere vachisesekedza album ravo nekavidheo kandinonzi zvinonyadzisa. Please guys, manamba ari kupisa, go watch them pa YouTube pa channel. And please drop my comments, everyone drop my comments and tell us what you think about Hello Mwari remix. Do you like it? How is it? And tell us also about the new song, the new album Resera Mambo Dhuterere, and tell us my comments mchikana my comments. And don't forget we have a weekly trend where we are gonna include my YouTubers akawanda. And for example, we are going to be having Uncle Saint Stevens, your boy Beats, Build Team Studios, all of them. And make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, comment down and share.